I think it's just the timing of everything has to be right. It has to be the right kind of film. It has to be the right director. Well, we're not star-crossed lovers, we're like star-crossed lovers. एंड मैं हमेशा ये लाइन इसलिए यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा ऐसे लगता है कि अभी काफ़ी सालों से लोगों ने हमको फिल्म ऑफ़र की है, बट फॉर वॉट एवर रीज़न it never happens, and that's why in reference to that I meant we're star-crossed lovers. Yeah.
Okay, now your film is out. Of course, it's done. Happy New Year has done really good. How does it feel? I mean, something about the film that I think everybody wants to know. How was the experience? Yes, he got it right. He just added up to it.
Ask me anything about the movie, I can tell you. But I think collections is the producer's department. Reviews is my director's department. I think for me, what is important is the love and appreciation that you get from an audience. I think it's been very well received. I think the kind of reaction that I've got to the film is, I think that's what one really looks forward to. When you go out on the streets, you meet your fans, people keep greeting you Happy New Year, or they say, aapka kaam acha laga. I think that's the most satisfying feeling for me as an actor.
You're still promoting Aren't You Tired? Because I can see all over the press, all over the media, all of you all are promoting. So
I think tonight at Shah Rukh's with his birthday and bringing in his birthday, I think will be the biggest celebration, and I know that the entire team is going to be there, so we're all looking forward to that.
Okay, so after this there's a party happening?
Yeah, why do you think
Anyone else? Yes?
Because Happy New Year का जो सक्सेस फीवर है वो अब तक बॉक्स ऑफिस से उतर नहीं रहा है, आप पर से उतरा है या अभी भी वही सक्सेस फीवर चढ़ा हुआ है?
तो लग रहा है ना सक्सेस फीवर चढ़ा हुआ है. चढ़ने दीजिए और भी चढ़ने दीजिए.
I'm not going to deny that when a film does well, it's a very, very nice feeling. Having said that, I don't think that you can. I don't think that it's something that you should hold on to for too long. Yes, enjoy it for a day or two because we've all worked really hard. Whether it was the film itself, whether it was the promotion of the film, blood, sweat, tears, everything has gone into making that movie. And then when the results are in the way that we have got, the kind of reaction that we've got to the film, the way it's doing at the box office, the kind of success that this film has seen, I feel like we deserve every bit of it. But at the same time, I personally believe that it's something that one should not hold on to for too long. Enjoy it because, like I said, you've worked hard, but you have to move on. Life goes on. Whether a success or a failure, life has to go on. You can't keep dwelling on it or taking it in for too long.
Deepika, now you just spoke about yourself and Salman that आप film करना चाहती है but हो नहीं पा रहा है सलमान के साथ film. And ऐसे reports है that now that you've started, you worked with Shah Rukh, so you belong to Shah Rukh's clan, and that's why you're not doing a film.
Really?
There are reports.
Give us some credit. No, I think we're a little more mature than that. I don't think we're not like school kids who are like, I'm your friend, I'm not your friend. That's a bit. It's a bit silly that we're even asked this question, honestly. And I think I'm someone who's had a very comfortable equation, whether it's directors, whether it's producers, whether it's actors. There's absolutely none of what you're saying. I think it's just the timing of everything has to be right. It has to be the right kind of film. It has to be the right director. It has to be the right kind of part for him and me to come together. And I feel like the more and more we're not doing a film together, the more this pairing is becoming like, they have to do a film together. I guess that much more expectation. But no, I just think that it's something that has to happen very, very organically. And while our fans want to see us together, and I'm equally more than the film itself, I'm more excited about, I've said this somewhere else also, I'm more excited about the process of working with him, because I know he's a very, very interesting person and a personality to just be around on set and things like that. So I know the experience will be a lot of fun, but I think it also has to happen organically. It can't, it's not something that you can put together. It has to just fall into place.
All right.